Of Chaga is the commanding lead of the East Africa Safari Mini Classic Rally after maintaining the lead on the penultimate day of rally across the Amboseli Plains. Chaga led through stages 4 and 5 before flying off the course in the 6th stage of the 210-kilometer competitive stage on Friday. Ian Duncan leapfrogged Geoff Bell into second place, just under 3 minutes off top spot, despite getting stuck in the fine sand for 2 minutes. As expected, the weather caused havoc, with the dry and dusty conditions quickly turning in a storm in the last 2 stages of the day. Ben Woodhams in a Ford Capri and Bob Semi in a Ford Escort MK2 are both victims of the rain getting stuck in stage 5. Piers Dakin was forced to retire with electrical problems, while in 4th place as Azad Anwar also suffered mechanical issues.